Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at easily combine text and number in one cell in Excel, right? And if you notice right here, these are the text, these are the number. But if you notice the dollar sign, so we want it to the same dollar sign right here, but how we're going to do that? First, we're going to click in the cell right here. We're going to put equal, right there, equal. They're going to put the bracket. Now, when you put the bracket now, right, let me bring up this thing some more. You're going to set A3. You want to set A3. Now, when you put in A3, if you notice show up right up here, then you're going to put the and sign right there. Now, when you put the and sign, you're going to put the quote. You're going to press the space bar, get a little space, just like that, because we don't want them actually choke up together in the cell, right? So the next thing that we wanted to do is to put another and, right, to separate. And then you're going to set B3. You're going to set B3 now. Then you're going to close it. And you're going to press enter. But if you notice, you haven't seen the dollar sign before it. If you want the dollar sign, just click back on it. If you notice right up here, so just click in between. You just click in between the two quotation, and then you press the dollar sign, the shift and 4, and you're there. You notice you put the dollar sign, and then I press back enter. You notice it come up right here. And if I come right here and I drag it down like that, see it format everything with the dollar sign and everything. Alright, so this is how we easily combine text and number in one cell right here in Excel. So remember to share it and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. See you.